Hello and welcome to a brief look at the object array blueprint for Unreal Editor 4. In this video, I'll quickly lay out some chairs to make it look like audience seating. So we can add in the chair static mesh, grab the endpoint and stretch it out. So we'll look down from above. As you can see, they're all being laid out. So the offsets themselves can be modified and tightened up to be a bit more like audience seating. Now naturally they're not going to be perfectly aligned to one another, so we can add to this offset range here. So I'll do a -5, -5, +5 and a +5. So you can see they're slightly off from one another now. Now they're not going to be perfectly square either, so we can enable a rotational range on the Z axis. So I'll do a -3 and a +3, so you can see they're slightly askew now too. Now this front row here is actually clipping through, but that's easily fixed by coming down here and using the snap to ground feature. So if you enable that, but it doesn't quite start working because the origin point of the array itself is below this surface here, but it takes from the origin down. So if you stretch this up, it will now snap to the object. Now that's a very simple array, but over here, most of these objects, the rock wall, the trees, the bushes, the leaves on the ground, the path, they're all using this array. So as you can see, there can be a lot more in-depth. If you want a more in-depth video showing all the features, click in the link below. Thank you for your time.